Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making some alternate using the April 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit Inked Occasions. Okay, but before we get started on our alternate, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. First, we have our Full of Charm Paper Pumpkin Kit. It's going to make 9 cards. Pretty Peacock is going to be the Stampin' ink spot. We have the Hugs of Bloom Dies add-on for $12 that coordinate with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin Kits. And we have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Oh, and this kit coordinates with the Floral Charm Suite collection that's in the new catalog, okay? Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. You earn 10% on all orders $20 or more before tax and shipping. You can redeem your rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account, and rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date, okay? That is our Stampin' Rewards program. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. So if you're interested in getting you a mystery box, go ahead and email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's get started on our project. Okay, so today I'm back with the Kendra's card challenge number 18, and I'm going to be using sketch number 1 for this card. I have our pieces sitting over here to the side. We have a card base of Berry Burst, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have our inside pieces. We have some Peach Pie, 5 by 3 3/4, and Basic White, 3.5 by 4 3/4, and a little strip of a card base from the kit that we're going to decorate our inside piece with. I'm just gonna glue this to the Peach Pie, and this time I'm gonna have my decoration at the top of the card instead of the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and glue this to the inside of our card base, just like that. Then I have a piece here of 5 1/4 by 4 of some basic black that I ran through the mini corrugated folder. Then we have some pieces of card base here, if I can get them. 3 pieces from 2 different card bases. And these are, according to the sketch, 5 1/4 by 3 1/4. And we're going to glue these on here like this. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna put this one first. So let's go ahead and get some glue on here. Now I think they are all a little long, so we'll be cutting those down. Okay, I gotta try to make sure I get this straight. Ooh. Because when you're using an embossed piece, it's kind of hard. Oh no. It's kind of hard to scoot it. And that's why I'm trying to do it quickly before my glue dries up on me. But hopefully that is straight. Okay, and do I want to put it like that? Or like this? I think I'm going to do it the opposite way because we're cutting. No, I'm doing it like this. Because we're going to be cutting some of the color off, and I don't want to, it's already just a little bit up here. I am trying to make this straight, you guys. Oh my goodness. We're going to put our last piece right here. Make sure it's all the way to the top. Even spaces. Okay. Now we're going to turn this over and trim just like that. And we can add this to our card base. I'm going to put this right here on the front of our card. Ooh. I probably started off with basic black. That was 5 1/4 by 4. And then when I ran it through the folder, it looks like it shrank a little bit. Okay. So now we have a piece here from the die cuts, the dies, the Hugs of Bloom dies. And I'm going to take a Hugs that I die cut in basic black, and we're going to glue that on. I should have did the adhesive sheets for this. Don't know why I didn't. But we're going to glue this on here. Let's go ahead and do that. Just like that. Okay. And then I think I'm going to pop this up. So let's get some Stampin' Dimensionals here from the kit to put on to our sentiment element here. We're not going to discuss how many dimensionals I'm using, okay? Oh. And what are we gonna do with this? We're going to set this about right here, I think. Because I want to put this on here. So I have to leave a little space. So I'm going to put it about right there, like that. And then this, we're going to put a little dimensional on the back of our flower here. This is also die cut from the Hugs of Bloom dies. We're just going to pop that on like that. Then I have two pieces here, one Pool Party and one of the brushed gold foil, and we are going to tuck these in under here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this done. The measurements are going to be on Kendra's card sketch. I can't remember. I guess I can look. Oh man, I didn't get that. I'll look in a second. Let me glue this down and I'll tell you the measurements for it. Okay. Okay. So the measurements for the Pool Party is 1 3/4 by 3/4, and the gold piece is 1 1/4 by 1/2 inch. Okay. Now we just need to add our bling, and I have the low profile dots here again. And we are going to get a couple of these gold dots. I want I think I'll use another big one. And we'll put it there. Just like that. And that is our card done. Isn't this pretty? Let me show you some other cards I made ahead of time. This is just the card from the kit, and I just cut the front off and put it on some Gorgeous Grape. So really didn't change it up. Just put the Gorgeous Grape card base. And here's another one straight from the kit. I just cut the front off and put it on some basic black. Okay. And then here's one where I took this front, put it on some basic black. I took the sentiment label and colored it with the Stampin' Blends, and it was the basic black was kind of grayish against the cardstock, so I took a black Sharpie and colored it, and then inked it up with some Versamark and some gold embossing powder, and there you have it. Then I went over everything with Wink of Stella. Isn't that pretty? Can you see the shimmer? But that's all we have for our alternates, and I hope you have enjoyed all of my alternate cards using this kit. I have a lot of supplies left, but this is all the ideas I had, so I stopped. So that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.